Will we ever be able to reach a planet outside our solar system? Reaching a planet outside our solar system, also known as an exoplanet, is a very challenging task due to the vast distances involved. However, with current technology and ongoing research, it is possible that we may be able to achieve this in the future. One approach to reaching an exoplanet is to use advanced propulsion systems, such as ion engines or nuclear propulsion, which could potentially enable spacecraft to travel faster and more efficiently than current chemical rockets. Another approach is to develop new technologies, such as warp drives or wormholes, which are still in the realm of theoretical physics and require further research. However, even with advanced propulsion systems or new technologies, the distances involved in reaching an exoplanet are immense. The closest known exoplanet, Proxima Centauri b, is approximately 4.24 light-years away, which means that it would take over 4 years to send a signal to the spacecraft and receive a response, even if the spacecraft were traveling at the speed of light. Therefore, any mission to an exoplanet would require a significant amount of time and resources. In conclusion, while it is possible that we may be able to reach an exoplanet in the future, it will likely require significant advances in technology and a long-term commitment to space exploration. To further elaborate, current methods of detecting exoplanets mainly rely on indirect methods such as observing the gravitational influence of the planet on its host star or detecting the dip in star's brightness as the planet passes in front of it. These methods provide information about the planet's size, mass, and orbital characteristics, but they do not give any direct information about the planet's surface conditions, atmosphere, or the potential for habitability. To obtain more detailed information about exoplanets, scientists are developing new technologies such as space-based telescopes, which can directly image exoplanets and collect data on their atmospheres, temperatures, and other characteristics. One such telescope is the James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2021 and is expected to revolutionize our understanding of exoplanets. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts to search for potential habitable exoplanets, which are planets that could support liquid water and potentially life as we know it. The habitable zone is the range of distances from a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Scientists have already identified several potentially habitable exoplanets, and with advances in technology, it may be possible to detect signs of life on these planets in the future. In summary, while reaching an exoplanet is a significant challenge, there are ongoing efforts to learn more about these planets and potentially identify habitable worlds. As technology continues to advance, it is possible that we may one day be able to send missions to explore these distant worlds and perhaps even discover signs of life beyond our solar system. In addition to technological advances, there are also social and political factors that may affect our ability to reach an exoplanet. One such factor is the level of funding and support for space exploration, which can impact the development of new technologies and the feasibility of long-term missions to exoplanets. Furthermore, ethical considerations must be taken into account when planning space missions, particularly when it comes to potential contact with extraterrestrial life. There are ongoing discussions in the scientific community about how to approach the search for and potential discovery of extraterrestrial life in a responsible and ethical manner. Another factor to consider is the impact that space exploration can have on society and the environment. As we develop new technologies and explore new worlds, we must be mindful of the potential impact on our planet and ensure that our actions are sustainable and responsible. Overall, reaching an exoplanet is a complex and challenging endeavor that requires advances in technology, significant funding and support, and careful consideration of ethical and environmental implications. While there are many unknowns and challenges that lie ahead, the potential rewards of discovering new worlds and potentially even extraterrestrial life make the pursuit of space exploration a worthwhile endeavor.